Noun. Try to understand what is noun. A noun is a word used as the name of person, place, things, or animals. Ahmad, Fatima, Karachi, Sindh, dog, tiger, book, books, pencil, sun, earth, all are noun. One sentence, listen one sentence. Akbar was a king. Here, the word Akbar is noun. Karachi is a big city. Karachi. The word Karachi is noun. The rose smells sweet. The word rose is noun. Noun किसी शख्स, किसी जगह, किसी चीज, किसी जानवर के नाम को कहते हैं, जैसे अहमद, फातिमा वगैरह वगैरह. Number 2, adjective. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of noun or pronoun. As for example, he is a brave boy. In this sentence, the word brave is adjective. There are 20 boys in the class. In this sentence, the word 20 is adjective. He is a good man. Good. The word good is adjective. The girl is, she is a tall girl. Tall. The word tall is adjective. Now listen me in Urdu. Adjective. Adjective means सिफत. सिफत वो लफ्ज है, एडजेक्टिव वो लफ्ज है जो किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन की सिफत को बयान करता है. राइट?